Blake Lively reacts with tears of relief after $400 million lawsuit from Justin Baldoni is dismissed. A win for women. Blake Lively is breathing a major sigh of relief after a significant legal victory in one of Hollywood's most closely watched legal battles. The Gossip Girl alum had an emotional response upon learning that a $400 million lawsuit filed by actor and producer Justin Baldoni had been dismissed by a federal judge on Monday, June 9. The development, which a source close to the star described as a total win for women, marks a key turning point in the protracted legal saga between the two parties. According to People magazine, which first reported the story, the 37-year-old actress was visibly emotional when her legal team informed her that U.S. District Judge Louis J. Liman had granted a motion to dismiss Baldoni's countersuit in its entirety. She cried with relief, an insider close to Lively told People. She's obviously relieved. They both are. It's been an incredibly stressful few months, not knowing how this would play out. This is a huge victory, not just for Blake but for any woman who faces attempts to silence them through the courts. She feels vindicated. Everyone is happy. The high-profile lawsuit, filed earlier this year by Baldoni, who co-produced the film adaptation of It Ends With Us, had accused Lively and her husband, Hollywood actor Ryan Reynolds, of extortion and defamation. The suit alleged that the power couple had engaged in a calculated effort to discredit Baldoni and his production company in an effort to wrest creative and financial control of the film project away from him. Lively and Reynolds have strenuously denied the allegations from the outset, characterizing the lawsuit as a baseless attack designed to intimidate and silence them. Legal experts had described the case as unusually aggressive, with the $400 million figure raising eyebrows even within entertainment law circles. After months of legal wrangling, Judge Liman ultimately sided with Lively's legal team, finding that Baldoni's claims lacked sufficient merit to proceed to trial. In a strongly worded opinion, the judge emphasized the importance of protecting free speech and noted that the allegations did not meet the legal threshold required for extortion or defamation. In a statement following the ruling, Lively's lawyers called the decision a total victory and a complete vindication for their client. They added, "This case was never about justice. It was about attempting to use the legal system to bully and silence Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. We are pleased that the court has seen through this cynical tactic." Privately, Lively has reportedly found the experience deeply challenging. A source close to her said that the actress, who is also a mother of 4, has been struggling to balance her professional obligations and personal life with the intense stress of the legal battle. This was not just about her reputation, the source explained. It was about standing up to a very public and very damaging legal attack. There were times when Blake was deeply worried about the impact this might have on her family, her career, and her ability to speak out about things she cares about. Now she can finally breathe. The insider continued, "Blake is incredibly strong, but this was exhausting on every level. She's grateful to her legal team and to Ryan, who has been her rock through all of this." Baldoni's legal team, however, has not backed down entirely. His attorney, Brian Friedman, had previously criticized Lively's motion to dismiss as one of the most abhorrent examples of abusing our legal system. He further argued that the case raised important questions about accountability in the entertainment industry and suggested that Baldoni would continue to pursue his claims in other legal forums. Despite the dismissal of the countersuit, the broader legal battle between the parties is far from over. A related trial is currently scheduled for March 2026, which is expected to bring additional evidence and testimony to light. Legal analysts say the outcome of that trial could have significant implications for contract disputes and free speech rights within the entertainment world. For now, though, Lively is focusing on the positive. She's relieved to put this chapter behind her, at least for now, the source added. She can finally turn her attention back to what matters most: her children, her marriage, and her work. Lively is said to be planning to take a short break from public appearances and professional commitments in order to regroup and spend quality time with her family. Friends close to the couple say they are also planning a small celebration with loved ones to mark the legal victory. "She stood her ground and refused to be bullied," one friend noted. "That's something worth celebrating." As the industry watches closely for what comes next, one thing is clear. Blake Lively's win has already sent a powerful message about resilience, determination, and the importance of standing up to legal intimidation. This wasn't just a personal victory, the source concluded. It was a win for women everywhere.